the only 8th Division World Champion in all of boxing history. Recently, he was awarded Boxing Hall of Fame. He was recently installed by the Philippine Council of Evangelical Churches and World Evangelical Alliance as international evangelist. He goes around the world sharing the gospel. He leads discipleship groups. According to him, his greatest victory in life was when he surrendered his life to Jesus Christ.
Amen.
Brothers and sisters, Arise Global 2026. Let's welcome Honorable Manny Pacquiao.
There you go. With music.
Good evening,
Yeah!
my brothers and sisters. Good evening to all the visitors. Good evening. Welcome to the Philippines. You know, when your knowledge increase, then pride will come. That's the problem. Pride will come, and that's the greatest hindrance for a person to be saved, is to assume that you are good enough to go to heaven. The greatest hindrance is not that the people don't believe God, but the greatest hindrance is when people assume that you are good enough to go to heaven. What I learned from the Lord is to humble, because we're so thankful because the Son of God came down from heaven to save us, to suffer and die for us to be saved. And that's a privilege, and that's a gift from God that we are not worthy to receive. But because of His enduring love to all of us,